Okay, we're gonna look at fall. Two brand new Simple Stories collections just came in. Did they come in on Friday? I don't remember. It's like a revolving door around here these days. That just came in. The first one is called Acorn Lane. So Acorn Lane, a beautiful fall, autumn, Thanksgiving-ish, not really Thanksgiving, but it could work for that, themed collection. So let's take a look at what we have here. We're looking at this 6x8 paper pad. So Simple Story 6x8 paper pads, 2 sheets each of 12 different papers. But then you have 2 sides. So you're really getting 24 designs once you look at the fronts and backs. Hi, Denise, nice to see you. All right, so here we go. Harvest, stay cozy, falling few. I love the pink in here. The pink just kind of really brightens it up. That's a gorgeous plaid. Beautiful flowers. Ooh, the hearts. I love that color combination, kind of the rust with the light pink. I have not looked at any of this either. Kind of beautiful moths / butterflies. Let's get cozy. Oh, look at the kitty. Oh, that's fun, isn't it? That, I don't know, kind of fall weeds. Fall weeds. I don't know what those are. Fall greenery. I don't know what to call it. These acorns are so cute. Again, I love that pink and the rust together. A nice, really good, solid, I call it the Pretty Woman pattern. You guys know what I'm talking about? Remember in Pretty Woman when Julia Roberts bought that dress, the brown dress with the polka dots, and it was so on trend for so long? I call that the Pretty Woman pattern. Beautiful floral. Oops, where'd I go? Oh, hang on. I lost myself for a minute. There we go. Okay, nobody panic. Nobody panic. Mary J says she's in big trouble. She can't decide between the fall collection or the baking one. I know they're both good. April said, I love fall things because I'm a boy mom and can use those prints for so many things. And that's a great point, April. Everything that we're looking at, I mean, that doesn't necessarily have to be fall, right? There's nothing here. A few of the papers kind of like that kind of scream fall, but other than that, not at all. Okay, let's keep going. Oh my goodness. This one, you guys, it's like designed for one of our lists, right? Look at, we trim that down to 5 inches wide and we will for sure, well, you know, we're going to use all this stuff. Well, not everything, but we'll use all the collections. But that is like, what an easy list, right? Oh, I know, look at, here we go. Here's your list here. And then here are, it's like they're meant for this. Look at all of these little mini icons. They fit like perfectly between those lines. Okay, keep going. The nice foxes, cute little birdies. Beautiful plaid, thankful, grateful, blessed. Some little leaves there. More leaves. I love that print too. That kind of navy with rust. Another great plaid. And then your 2 cut apart sheets. And then those patterns repeat again. So that is the 6x8 paper pad. Let's move into the sticker book. April, big mistake, huge, right? When she went into that clothing store on Rodeo Drive, the beginning of the movie, and she was dressed in her night job attire. And they kind of took one look at her and, you know, made her leave. And then she went back with Richard? No, not Richard. Richard Gere, but what was his name? I can't remember. Anyhow. Yeah, if you've seen the movie, you know. If not, then doesn't matter. Okay, sticker book. 12 sheets, 485 beautiful stickers. Look how fun that raincoat is. Little cute house. Little kitty on the stool. Love that little cluster of mushrooms there. Oh, look at it. So this is a little bit different. This, we haven't necessarily seen Simple Stories do a sheet like this before in their sticker book. I love that. Love that they kind of switched that up a little bit. Oh my goodness. Okay. Icons. But look at, this is another switch up. I think they're kind of switching up some of the pages on their sticker books going forward. We'll have to see. I don't know if we'll see that in What's Cooking, because I think What's Cooking is definitely more recipe-ish themed. So we'll see. Edward, Denise, thank you. Edward, that's right. Beautiful florals. You know I love these. I love having those alphas in there. Oh, look it. They've totally, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. I seriously have not looked at any of this product yet. So they totally changed this up too. I hope. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love their sticker books. I think they're great value for all the stickers that you get, but they had been for a while kind of doing similar pages in all of their sticker books. So it's fun to see them kind of mix things up a bit. Love that alpha. And then some birds, and then little icon stickers. All right, so that's the sticker book. Then we're going to have 3 packages of the die cuts. 3 packages of die cuts. So let me just move over here. Wanda, I agree with you so much. Wanda said, my favorite part in Pretty Woman is that part. You love it when mean people get what's coming to them, right? Mean, it just pays to be nice. It's just, I try as much as I can to be nice because I just think that's what we should do to all the people. Be nice to everyone. You never know what someone's going through. Love these. Look at, so this is fun. We saw this a little bit in the second alpha in the sticker book, but do you see how it looks a little bit distressed? I love that look for fall. That's a lot of fun. I love that color combination too. There's a little sleeping fox, some books, a scarf, record player. Look at all of these. So those are the regular bits if you like to knit or crochet. Let's see, 57 pieces in here. Loads and loads of fun pieces, 57 pieces. And those are the regular bits and pieces. Look at that cozy sweater. Hello, fall. Oh, that's cute, isn't it? The little kind of ladder that you have in the house that leans against the wall that you decorate. Fall. And lots of things. Okay, so those are the regular bits and pieces. We'll move those off to the side. And then we'll take a look at the journal bits. The journal bits, yes, Nancy, I agree. Nancy said beautiful collection. It really is. 37 pieces in the journal bits. The journal bits are usually intended a little bit more for writing or journaling. Like you have that 3x4 card there. You have these little pieces. So they give you a little bit more room for your titles or for your journaling. Every so often you get some little smaller pieces, like that's a little tag. Live with a grateful heart. These, look how cute those are. Those are bow tags. So just pop that little tag out at the top. This would be super cute if you are, if you're taking a gift to someone and you just tie a little piece of twine around the gift, and then that could be a little gift tag. So cute. Giant leaf. I'm just pulling out some of the bigger ones. Love all those mushrooms. I love too, look at this. I love how the stems of the mushrooms are hanging out the bottom of the card. That's really fun. Oh, look at the fox. Put a little nice title there. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful products, you guys. Okay, so those were the journal bits. And if you want to see any of these up close a little bit more and see the individual pieces, you can see that on the website. Denise said, can you believe we are looking at fall collections? Wasn't it just spring? Holy cow. I know, crazy, right? Lauren in the yarn said, I swear I made similar tags out of a previous Simple Stories collection for a swap a couple years ago. That's so fun. Wanda said, let's face it, is there any collection isn't gorgeous? I know. So these are the floral bits. So floral bits are going to be much more focused on all of the florals and leaves in the collection. So we see Simple Stories do this. I'm just going to try to keep these separate a little bit so you can get a feel. So you really don't have to do any fussy cutting out of the paper, right? You have all love. Ugh. I know, I need another word besides love. I'm really digging this. I'm really digging that. I'm really thinking this is like the bee's knees. Very fun. I love this rust color in here. I'm really into, how about that, this rust color. All right, so those are going to be kind of all of your foliage, your flora and fauna. Those are the floral bits. So bits and pieces, journal bits, floral bits. All right, let's just move these guys off to the side so those can get put away later. The rub-ons. Okay, the rub-ons. So 2 6x8 sheets of rub-ons. So we get a good mix there. Look at all those little tiny ones. I love that. Nice title. Love that chicken wire background. And then on the back, September, October, November. Ooh, that's fun too. Every leaf speaks bliss to me, fluttering from the autumn tree. Emily Bronte. Autumn, the year's last loveliest smile. William Cullen Bryan. Look at the border of mushrooms. We could take those and put them right at the bottom of a traveler's notebook page for a list. So 2 sheets of your rub-on, 6x8. And then we have 2 more things. 1 would be the washi tape, and then 2, you know what's coming after 1, 2 would be the big bundle. So if you are not familiar with the big bundle, I'll talk about that in a minute. Look at my little, here's my test book when I was playing with the stamp set, the fall mini icons with the different colors. So we'll just do that right here. 5 different rolls of washi that are part of Acorn Lane. I will get all of these down and then I will bring it up to the camera so you can see each of them. But oh my goodness. If I went in my closet right now, we would see several shirts that have that pink color with the rust color with them. I just love that color combination so much. Love it, love it. It's a beautiful plaid to go with that. The navy is so pretty with that rust color. We're going to see a little bit more of that here again, although this one's not quite the navy. It's a little bit of a lighter blue with the little birds and the leaves. So those were the 3 15mm tall washi. So you like your standard roll of washi. And then there are 2 that are, I think 8mm. 2 that are 8, yep. Oh, and then this one, love this. This is that rust color, rust with the pink hearts. Okay, there we go. There are the 5 rolls of washi. So let's take a look at those up close. Cream with the floral, that beautiful navy and rust plaid, the blue background with the birds and the leaves, that really nice kind of straw colored background with the different colored leaves, and then that one has my heart. That one has my heart, the hearts. Rust with the light pink hearts. Okay, so that wraps up everything that I have for Acorn Lane that is a la carte on the website. If you have not been with me before, then the next part is something that I have called a big bundle. So, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago or so, I started taking the Simple Stories collections as they came out and putting together what I like to call big bundles. So big bundles, basically everything. I say most everything in a collection because sometimes like I won't put the stamp set in, or I may not put the stencils in or something like that. But the big bundle, everything mostly in the collection, and the big bundle I have priced at 15% off because you are buying it all. I wish I didn't have that glare there, you guys. Sorry. That kind of is annoying. All right, so in the big bundle for Acorn Lane, you have the washi, you have the bits and pieces. Ooh, this needs to get switched out. You have the bits and pieces, the floral bits and the journal bits. You have the decorative brads, the rub-ons. So basically you have everything that I just showed you that was a la carte, plus lots more things. You have the glossy enamel dots, the chipboard frames, which are always so fun to play with. You have the sticker book, the 6x8 pad, the foam stickers, so 2 sheets each of all of those wonderful foam stickers. Well, 2 sheets, they're not the same, right? But they're different. You have the chipboard, and then you have that wonderful, wonderful, wonderful collection kit, which has all 12 papers and the 12x12 sticker sheet. So I will tell you that those of you that do the bi-monthly Traveler's Notebook kits with me, I am using Acorn Lane for November. So that will be 3 12x12 papers and the 12x12 sticker sheet. That will be part of the holiday, so November and December Traveler's Notebook kit. Okay, so that is the big bundle for Acorn Lane. Let me get that put away.